This is my secret. Vegan bread pudding. Today we're giving a vegan twist to a family favorite, bread pudding. And the ingredients, they're all in the description below.
This is an easy and delicious dessert. Vegan vanilla cake, 4 cups of oat milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/3 of a cup of melted vegan butter.
Whisk all the ingredients until smooth. Grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with vegan butter. Add the cubed vegan vanilla cake and stir until the bread or the cake is coated with the liquid.
Let the bread soak in. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the top turns golden brown.
And now, have fun decorating!
So delicious. Enhance this wonderful flavor with a dollop of Dulce no leche.
Look how cool and pretty does this look. And I think I'm gonna be the first one to taste this deliciousness. So save your crumbles and make this delicious recipe. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Mmm.